Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about a new chapter, use of an. We use an before the words begin with the vowel sound. Do you know how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowel sounds. They are A, E, I, O, U. Let's start with some sentences. An apple, an orange, an elephant, an igloo, an ink pot, an umbrella. I think you all have understood it. Thank you.